Now, since V2t is equal to V1t Ct, so what we have done here, we have, I'm showing you, this is the small bracket which is actually having the term V1t. So V1t is taken from this formula, this complete formula is put under this bracket, and Ct, that is cos 2 pi fct, is here. Okay. Now under the small bracket of V1t, this is the one term, the second term, and this is the third term. Means under the V1t formula there are three terms. First term is AM AC by 2 cos 2 pi fc minus fmt. The second term is in phase component NIT multiplied with cos 2 pi fct, and the third term is quadrature phase component of noise signal NQT multiplied with sin 2 pi fct. Okay. So all these three terms will be multiplied with cos 2 pi fct. So when we open the bracket and multiply each term with the cos 2 pi fct, we will receive, this will be the first term which is having the, here I have put is the fourth one, but let me correct it. Here students, this is the first term in the formula which is having cos 2 pi fc minus fmt multiplied with cos 2 pi fct. The second term NIT multiplied with cos square 2 pi fct, and third term sin 2 pi fct multiplied with cos 2 pi fct. Now what we have to do, we have to follow the trigonometric formulas. The first formula for first term is cos C cos D is equal to 1 by 2 cos C plus D plus cos C minus D. Again I am repeating the formula. Here it is, the formula of cos C cos D is equal to 1 by 2 cos C plus D cos C minus D. When you do cos C plus D, so fc minus fm plus fc, you will receive cos 2 pi 2 fc minus fm, and at the place of cos C minus D, the fc minus fm minus fc will be cancelled each other, and only cos 2 pi fmt you will receive. So the first term will be solved as these two terms. Okay. And here you have to put the formula for in phase component which is having the cos square theta term. So cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So here we have calculated in this term which has become 1 plus cos 4 pi fct by 2. And the third term solution is sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta is 1 by 2 sin 2 theta. So here we have received this term. Students, since this is a complete mathematical derivation, so you have to go through with the trigonometric fundamentals, and then only it is possible to solve all these calculations. Okay. So I suggest you to go through the trigonometric fundamentals, the basic formulas of trigonometry, and then solve the V2t is equal to V1t Ct, and then only you will be able to understand these mathematical calculations. Now at the end of the output stage of the receiver, what we are having the detected value at the end of the receiver is, I am showing you here. See, the first term here, the first term having 2 pi 2fc minus fmt plus cos 2 pi fmt. So this is the first term having had been bifurcated in two terms, and this is the second term, and this is the third term. Now what we have to do, what we have to select at the end of the receiver, what this low pass filter will pass as dt. Since low pass filter should contain only the message signal, so what we have to do, we will watch that where is only message signal, where is only message signal. So what we are watching, that this term cos 2 pi fct multiplied with amac by 4 having only the message signal, and rest are this one is having the higher frequency signal because it is containing the carrier signal term also. So we will discard this one, we will discard this term, and quadrature term is also discarded when we take the output at the receiver. dt, this dt will detect or will be received from the low pass filter, which will contain only the term which is having the message signal and the in phase noise signal. That's why at the end of the calculation, here we have taken dt is equal to amac by 4 cos 2 pi fmt plus nit by 2. Again I am showing you students here from where we have calculated here ni by 2. This is ni by 2. We have not taken the term which is having the higher frequency signal. This term is discarded. This term is discarded because the low pass filter will pass only the lower frequency signal which is containing the message signal. Okay, so at the end of the receiver we will have only the term, this one, that is the dt is equal to amac by 4 cos 2 pi fmt, which is containing the message signal, and the noise signal is ni by 2. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the average power. The average power will be calculated for the message signal here, and the complete calculations I have shown here. Okay, for the average power of demodulated signal is shown here in complete detail with the mathematical formula derivation, which is finally received as Pm is equal to Am square AC square by 32. And then we have to calculate the noise signal, that will be calculated in this manner. Since the bandwidth of the SSB-SC system is the bandwidth is Bt is equal to W is equal to Fm. Here it is shown that noise signal is also becoming half for the single sideband suppressed carrier, and that's why the average power of noise at the output is calculated in this manner, and we finally receive that N0 by 4 into W. So W N0 by 4, and the complete formula is put in the at the calculations for SNR ratio at the output stage of the receiver, and this is the complete derivation. And here again what we have received at the end, this is the formula, and if you put the formula for SNR at the input stage, SNR at the output stage, what we are receiving, that the figure of merit is